Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fix. The simple fix is to run the Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game as an admin. So open Steam, then go to library, then right click on Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game, and then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Bloodlines 2 folder. Now right click on Bloodlines 2 exe file and select run as administrator and see if that helps or not. If not, then open the Bloodlines 2 folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, then right click on Bloodlines 2 Win64 shipping exe file, select properties, then go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and then OK. Now launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then see if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So I hope by following this fix, you can easily solve Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.